Yo, what up, YouTube? It's your boy Cinco, back with another video. Hey, it's the end of the week. It's Friday. Hope y'all had a great week in the markets. I know I did. And today, I'm about to break down and show a new strategy I've been trading for the last week or two or so. It helped me make a 1 to 4, a quick 1 to 4 on US 30 this morning. And I'm going to show you exactly how I caught it. Pretty simple, nothing crazy about it. We just gonna get right into it after this little intro. You dig? All right, y'all. So right now we got US 30 pulled up on a 15-minute time frame. We're gonna get right into it. This is called the open range breakout. Okay, they call it an orb, ORB, however you want to call it. It's got many names. You might have seen this before. If not, just rock with me here. Trust me, this is a gem. So what you want to do is, like I said, it starts on the 15-minute time frame. To run this strategy, it's going to take some patience. You got to be able to wait for candles to close before you can go and start making moves and decisions. So on the 15-minute time frame, let's go 15 here. We'll start off on the 15-minute. All right. What you're looking for is the market open. The New York session opens at 6:30. That first candle, that first 15-minute candle, you have to wait for it to close. This is important. Wait for that to close. Once that candle actually closes, we're going to take out mark off tools, use the horizontal ray most likely, but you're going to mark off the top wick and the bottom wick of that candle. Pretty simple. But that first 15-minute candle once it closes. So you take your first or your top wick, mark off your bottom wick. Okay, so now we got the 2 wicks of this 15-minute candle right here, the 6:30 candle. It's marked off and ready to go. At this point, we just drop down to a small time frame and be patient. So I like to go down to a 3-minute time frame. It's your preference. If you want to go down to the 1 minute, you want to go down to a 5-minute, you definitely need to go down to a smaller time frame. I'm finding out that the 3-minute is pretty sweet. It's a sweet spot right now, a little sweet spot for me. So once we get this marked off, we're waiting for price action to show us what to actually do and how to attack the market. When price is breaking out above this zone here, so if we're getting a breakout above this zone, this price level, the open range high, we get a breakout above it, we're looking for buys. However, you can take this buy at the immediate breakout of this. As soon as you see one candle close above here, you can take it, or you can wait for the retest. You can get the breakout, wait for the retest to come back into this level, show you some type of rejection, and then take the trade up, okay? And vice versa. Same thing if you're looking for sell setups. If price is breaking underneath this open range low, if it's breaking underneath, you can go ahead and take the first closing candle that you see close underneath that level and then put your stops above this level a little bit, or you can wait for the break and the retest. Personally, I like to wait for a break and retest just to assure it gives you a little bit more confidence in the confluence of the trade. And what I saw here when I came to the chart this morning, after I marked everything off, price was floating around in this area. We bounced up for the high, came down here for our low. And if you notice, price rejected this level, did not close underneath. All right. We gave a morning star pattern here, and we had engulfing candle form here showing me that price did not want to be bearish below here. We were looking very bullish. It wasn't until price broke out, we got our actual breakout here. Price retested down into this level. This candle here is the candle that I took as my retest candle, because once I saw this candle push down and reject this level and then follow up by an engulfing candle right there, this blue engulfing candle, I knew it was go time. So at that point is when I just simply took my buy entry. I went long at the close of this candle here. And I don't even think I actually waited for it to close, to be honest with you. It was a little bit before the close of the candle. I actually took it on an impulse just because I liked the way it was looking at the time. I took the candle, I threw my stop right below these previous wicks here, because I knew if price were to break below this level and start rejecting this level, you want to get out of the trade. I'm looking for immediate volume and immediate reaction from these levels, because at New York Open, when you're prime in the session like that, you're going to get volume. You're gonna get volume one way or another, especially if you're trading these on indices. This open range breakout strategy, so far, what I've seen on indices, US 30, NAS 100, it works amazing because you need volume for this to really work. Now, once volume came into the market, I took the trade, and then all I did was, I'm not really necessarily targeting a specific range or specific take profit. I'm more so managing my stop loss by trailing it and moving it into break even and trailing it as price goes. So for me, the rule is once price shows me a 1-to-1, if I'm risking this here, once price gets to a 1-to-1 level, I'm moving stops to break even. Once stops gets to break even at that point and price continues to flow, then at that point we just start moving it up as we go. You just start solidifying higher lows. You just start moving your stop loss as you go, securing whatever you can secure throughout this volume before price decides to reverse. Because this is not a trade you're going to be able to hold for forever. It's not a swing trade opportunity. This is not a long-term trade. This is a scalping setup. This is a scalping strategy for getting in the market and getting out of the market in a pretty decent amount of time. You're not going to have to sit and wait for this trade to set up all day or to take place all day. You're going to know if you were right. You're going to know if you were wrong pretty soon. You know what I'm saying? It's going to be a very quick move, especially if you're doing this during session. Like I said, after that 15-minute open, and you're waiting for the volume to come into the market and price action to give you an actual confirmation to enter the trade. Once you have all that, it's going to just move at that point. So price ended up flowing. It wasn't until price made this like evening star pattern. We got this doji here. Price created this doji, and then we also had this engulfing candle here. This little setup happened. Price or pattern, whatever you want to call it, it occurred right there. Once that black candle formed, engulfed this candle here, I knew for me that was enough for the day. That's all I needed, and that right there ended up being a 1-to-4 risk to reward ratio. And if you look at it, so when that cut closed right there, it's 1-to-4. It's 1-to-4 right there. Now, for most people, that's really all you need. If you have that with the right lot size, you can make some pretty good money in this trade right here, and that's all you need. You can be in and out, done for your day. You got the rest of the day for your time freedom to do whatever you want. And that's the way I prefer to do things. I like to get in the market, out of the market. The best trades I've taken in this market and the most profitable trades I've seen all came from scalping quick, in and out, not giving the market a chance to reverse and go the other way on you and take back your profits. Now, if I would have held this trade here, if you look what happened. If I would have held this trade, you get this beautiful move. You get this beautiful move, this beautiful leg. And if you would have held it, look where price is now. It sold off for the rest of the day. Sold off. So if you would have held that trying to swing it, now you're waiting for days. You're possibly gonna end up in a losing position maybe. You never really know. Like I said, this strategy is meant for catching immediate volume in the market for price action at that current moment. This is a scalping setup and that only. So with that being said, I hope this video helps. I hope you understand the open range breakout a little bit more. I plan on making more videos about this strategy in general, just as I trade it more and make little tweaks about this strategy to help you guys out and hopefully make you profitable. So if you like this video, if you like the content, make sure you drop down, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe. There will be more videos like this in the future, more live trading videos so you can see it actually live being executed. But for now, I hope you guys have a great weekend. Get your back testing in if you need to get your back testing this weekend. If you're at that point where you got to grind, just stay to the grind. I promise you, stick to that grind. Everything gonna pay off. I'm telling you, your life will change. This right here will change your life. It's definitely changed my life, and I'm so thankful for it. I'm thankful for learning how to day trade. I'm thankful for this skill. I'm thankful for God for putting this in front of my face, and you know what I'm saying, allow me to take in the information as I did. Like I said, it's changed my life, and I'm hoping this content can help change someone else's life as well. So I hope y'all have a great weekend. To the next video, peace.